What's poppin', you guys? I know it's been a minute, and today I'm back with some new shit. The new shit. But yeah, today I'm back with some new stuff. I want to start doing DIYs on my channel because I do a lot of home DIY stuff. So I'm not going to get too much into it, but I do want to start adding that on my channel, and this is what this video is a DIY. And I'm going to show you guys how to ball on a budget. If you want to live luxury on a budget, this is the video for you. Like, who wants to pay thousands of dollars for these condos with marble countertops and stuff like that when you could do it yourself for $10? $10. Let's go ahead and get into this video so y'all can we are going to live luxury on a budget. Okay, ball on the budget, period. This is adhesive, like wallpaper. It goes on cabinets and stuff. I got this at Walmart. You can get it at Lowe's or like anywhere like that, and it's marble. So this is very difficult. You're basically measuring on both sides, fit it to your liking. So you're gonna place the sticky part on the bottom, on the shelf or whatever you're putting this on. You're gonna put the sticky part on the bottom. There's two sides to this. So you're pretty much just peeling it back till you feel like it's enough. Don't peel it back too far, because then the other would just be sticking to the countertop. It will just stick to the countertop, and then it'll just mess up, and you'll keep having to like press down the bubbles. So don't pull that paper back too far, just enough, because you're gonna follow that paper as you're pressing down. You see how I'm doing that? As I'm pressing it down, I'm gonna keep unraveling that paper under it, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of it the same exact way. I did have to have a little bit of help because the measurements kind of get hard. So I did have my fiance help me on that part. And another thing is, this stuff, like, you can peel it back up and then place it back down again. That's what I love about this stuff. On the edges right here, it looks kind of unneat. So what I'm doing, if you want to do those separately, then you can. It would be better and more neater if you did them separately instead of doing the whole countertop together. So if you want to do those sides separate, that will be better. As you can see, it looks way neater.